Hi everybody, Will Pena here with Team No Sleep. Today I want to show you how to send out your Empower Network blog using Aweber. Okay, let's get started here. All right, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Aweber homepage. Okay, make sure that you have your current list of who you want to send it to ready to go there. Okay, you're going to click on Messages and then on Broadcast right there. Okay, now next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on New HTML Message. If it doesn't say that on there, just click on the drop down box and make sure you click on it there. Okay, and that's going to go ahead and load all of your templates on there. Okay, and the one I like to use for sending out my blog is this one here that just says plain. Okay, so I will click here on Start Over. And you'll see this box comes out here. In this box is going to be the body of your email. Okay, so what you do is you click on it twice and you can start editing at that point. What I do is I delete there. Okay, and then you can write here any messages that you want to put on there, anything that is going to attract them to open up your or to click on your blog. Okay, I'm just going to make something up really quick here. I am going to be sending out one of my blogs here that has the Empower Network information on it. So I will put something on here like, you can't afford not to do this. Okay, now again, this is not something I would send out normally. It's just doing this to show you here how to do this. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is go and retrieve your link that you need to put in there. So you will go back here to your Empower Network blogs, and you'll see that, scroll down here, I have right here Empower Network membership levels. Okay, so I will click on that. I will get the short link for it, just copy it. Okay, now you go back to editing here and you just simply paste it right there. Okay, then you can come down a bit, you can write whatever you want. If you wanted to write more on there, thank you for, or really put whatever you want, thank you again. I'm just putting that in there. Again, you can put whatever you want at that point in there. Okay, next thing you're going to do is you're going to have to save it. Okay, so come down here and save. All right, now that it's saved, you want to put your signature in. You have all these tabs here that you could drag down. You'll grab your signature. Okay, and you'll see a box open up. Just put it inside there, and you'll see that my signature simply has my name on there. Okay, so if you click on it there, you can actually adjust it. You can add anything on there. I will put my website on there. www.earnwithwillpena.com. Okay, and then save that. Okay, so you're set to go there. So what you want to do now is you want to insert here your subject line. Again, you want to make it something catchy, something so that they will open the email up for you. You can put anything there like, so affordable, and I can't type, forgive me, so affordable that you I can't even type, sorry, can't pass this up. You can make up whatever you want on there, and it looks like I have a typo. I will fix that. You're done there. Okay, so you're pretty much done with it at this point. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to test and preview it. Let's go down here really quick. Let's save it just so that it is saved, and we're going to test and preview. Okay, to test and preview, you're going to get this box that comes up right here. Okay, you can just put your email in there where you want to test it to. All right, I'm going to put my personal email there, and it was sending already after I hit enter, so it has been sent. Okay, so I will grab my personal email here, and hopefully it comes up soon, and you'll see there it is. All right, and so there you have it right there. Okay, my name didn't come up on here because I am not listed in there, so if there's no name, it'll simply say hi on there. Okay, and you can see that if you click on the link there, it's going to take you straight, okay, to my blog. Easy enough, right? Okay, and also here, if they click here, normally I wouldn't put this on here because they're already in my Aweber, so they really wouldn't need to fill this out here. Okay, so normally I wouldn't have put that in there, but you can see that the links actually work on there. Okay, so let's go back now. All right, now there are other things you can do with this as well. You can insert photos, things like that. I don't know that I want to get too much into that. You can go back to design. All right, you go back here to where you are editing, and you see that you have all of these up here that you can drag into. Okay, I do put my social media stuff in there. Okay, so you'll see you've got a drop box there, and actually try to put it underneath. I'll put it there, and you'll see that Facebook and Twitter both come up there because I've already got them in my system in here. Okay, and another thing you can do is with the images. All right, one thing I really like to do on it is I'll take the image and I will put it up on top. Okay, kind of as a header. Okay, and what I will do at this point is you'll see that this box comes out when that happens, and here's where really good information in here. Okay, this is going to be the image URL, whatever image you're going to put in there. Okay, and this is the link of as far as when they click on that, where it's going to go to. So you want to pick a good image to put on there, whether you have one already in your system that you want to use. What I like to do is I like to go to Google Images. Okay, and let me just go back here really quick and show you where I got this from. All right, you see I've got Empower Network banner ads. That's a really good one because it's got a whole bunch of banner ads that you could put on here. Okay, and one of the ones that, let me refresh the screen here so that the rest of those could come out so you could see them. You'll see that there's a whole bunch of banner ads that you can actually use here. So what I do is, for instance, there's one particular here that I really like, which is this one right here. Okay, so you can just right click, or that's easier, just right click on there. You can copy the image location, then you go back to edit your message. Okay, and right here where it says the image URL, you're going to just delete what's in there and paste your new one, and you'll see that it goes on there right there. Okay, and when they do click on that, that's where it's going to go to, and that goes to my my loophole video. And so you will save that there. So you have that on there, and again, you can drop logos, you can drop buttons here if you want to put on there, click on this button below. So you can play around with all of this stuff in here. Again, the image, another one that I would put is I bring down here, and you could put a picture of myself or a picture of the blog, anything like that. So, it's really up to you. So what we'll do is let's go ahead and test and preview this one again, just to take a look, and we're going to go ahead and send it. It says it's been sent. Let's take a look at my email and see if this comes up. You'll see there it is. Boom, look at that right there. So you've got that there. You've got all the body that we had put in there. You click on this here, it goes straight to the loop. So it's awesome. Some really great stuff. All right, so that part's done. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the next. All right, and here it goes to the sharing page. And you'll see that I already have my social media set up here. Okay, that's where I share it with. I will hit next. And here's where you set a date of where you want to send it. Again, if you have other lists, again, I'm sending it to my W Pena list. And you'll see that I have another list called Will Pena. And if I wanted to include them all on this, what I would do is just click on there and send it to them as well. Okay, so click on Schedule for Later. And here you'll see that I have, I sent out one broadcast yesterday. I have 2 today. And let's just say I'm going to put this one, just say on the 21st. So I can set it here. And you can put it at whatever time you want it to go out at. It should come out here, the time zone for your local area. Okay, mine here is for the Phoenix. I'm in Arizona. All right, if I wanted to go out to 6 in the morning Mountain Time, basically what we're on right now, I would just hit set. And then you come down here to where it says schedule and queue for Wednesday, November 21st at 6 a.m. You click on that. Okay, and this is going to take you to your summary where you have all of yours that your pending broadcasts. And you'll see that here's the one, so affordable that you can't pass this up. That's the one I was sending out. It says queued to be sent. That means it's ready to be sent at the time that I put it on to go. And it also has the don't send here in case you want to cancel it for some reason. Again, I really didn't want this one to go out, so I'm going to go ahead and just cancel it. And I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so that I don't accidentally send it out later. Okay, so there you have it. Pretty simple stuff. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any more questions, you can find me on Facebook in the Team No Sleep pages. We will talk to you soon.